Okay, Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to try the talking presentation. Okay, let's see. We click on it. And yes, we select this one. Apply for all 10 pages. And then we click on present and record. Go to recording studio. This set up your camera and microphone will pop up, and here I am. Okay, let's start recording. So this is how you use it. Okay, hi everyone. As you can see there, this is my a singles pitch deck. So you can actually go to the next one, and can you see that I'm talking here? Okay, and yeah, all right, this. Welcome to my live dating profile. Okay, no. Yeah, you can talk while this is how you use the presentation. I mean, while you record and present. Yeah, this is very good for students. I know. Can use it in Canva. Yeah. Okay. Then you can see this. Right. And this one. And this. The cons of dating. Morgan. I'm not Ben. Okay. So. And that's all. So end recording. So we'll see how long this takes. You can save and exit or copy link, and let's go to the link and see how it looks like and play. So use it. Okay, hi everyone. So this is there. This is a single. So you can actually go to the next one. You see that I'm talking to you? Okay. And yeah. Yes. Another one. Welcome to my life dating profile. Yeah, you can talk while this is how you use the presentation. While you record and present. Yeah, it's very good for students. I know you can use it in Canva, yeah? So, you see this, right? And this one, and this. Tons of people. Morgan, I'm not Morgan. Okay, so and that's all. So yeah, so that's how you do it. Let's see if we do a. You can even download it or save and exit. So you can download the recording. Okay, so this is what present and record is used for. Okay, you can apply again to this and then press on present and record again.